friends, welcome back to my channel Cook and Craft with Arshia. During this lockdown, as we all are missing Chatpati Golgappas and can't visit that place, so here I am with a Chatpati recipe. Let me quickly show you the ingredients we need to make the stuffed Golgappas. We need some Golgappas. So after deep frying, they should look like this. Along with that, we need some salt, roasted cumin powder, some namkeen for garnishing, tamarind chutney, green chutney. These we have made at home. You can also buy them from market. Chopped onion, boiled and mashed potato, and whisked curd. Let's start with the stuffing now. So first I'll add the boiled smashed potatoes in my mixing bowl. Chopped onions, one spoon of green chutney, two spoons of tamarind chutney, half spoon of roasted cumin seeds, half spoon of salt, so let's give it a nice stir. So now the stuffing is ready. Let's take a Golgappa, pop it, add some stuffing, two spoons of curd, some tamarind chutney, one spoon of green chutney, sprinkle some cumin powder, and finally, to garnish it, let's add some namkeen. Isn't it looking so yummy? I'm feeling to gobble it up. Now you can make as many as you want. I loved it. Hope you will also love it. Hit the like and subscribe to my channel.